Now let's look at the crypto indexes, which are not showing any lift. So low volatility, low quality rallies. Look at the small cap index. That rally is so flat. From a trading perspective, let's say that you want to find a low risk point of entry to the downside here. Every time both supply and demand decrease in the context of a downtrend, your shorts will be very vulnerable to some flash attempt to upthrust. And we have seen this kind of pattern many times in 2018. And I remember that were very painful upthrust. So low volatility markets are well known for this kind of very nasty price action. On the other side, it's very interesting to see that low caps have outperformed Bitcoin in the first part of the range, and now this outperformance has totally disappeared. What does it mean? I suspect that crypto funds have attempted to do some value picking in June, but that buying activity has not persisted throughout the range. In fact, now we see that volume is decreasing. So now they are sitting on the sidelines with their capital, waiting for a big shakeout, some big value and liquidity opportunity, Roman.
I absolutely agree with that statement. And that's what the stock market is also showing us. Was demand present? Is there some buying by institutions? Yes. What does it lead to? Well, it didn't lead to anything yet. And so is with the crypto market, only in a much more pronounced way. Other two ideas here, just basically on a technical level. Look at all of these rallies that we see here. Are those good rallies? Are those great rallies? Relative to, let's say, like even this period right here. And we're definitely seeing how the rallies are so weak. And then the second notion is, well, the decrease in the supply and demand at the same time. And this is the key. Are we decreasing in both demand and supply, or are we decreasing just in the supply relative to the increases in the demand? And in this picture, we are definitely seeing the overall decrease in the volume signature. So therefore, overall decrease in the supply and demand at the same time. And how would we translate the price action into this? Well, usually you take the most immediate background, which is this change of behavior on all of them. And then you say that, they are doing nothing after this step. So therefore, your bias is still to the downside with an idea of the continuation down.